here Vajashravas gets into the cheap mentality of personal possession. Understand? Only when you get into the mentality of the personal possession, you will start the business. The business mentality will start. So he falls from being a Kshatriya to Vaishya, and by doing fraudulence in the business of giving the cows which are useless, he falls to the level of lower than the Vaishya. He becomes so inauthentic. His authenticity has fallen 3-4 steps, almost like a free fall. Free fall. I want every one of you to look within you and see from your authentic identity which you want to have, how much of free fall has happened. Please sit and spend little time and find it. Understand? Most of the time, just finding it will solve the issue. See, what is the authentic identity you want to have? That is the goal, the way you want to exist. That's your goal. Your existence is proved by your contribution, not by your ability to throw tantrum. Please understand, the people who are not able to contribute try to prove their existence by throwing tantrum. I am not talking only about male or female, any side. In general humanity, trying to prove your existence by throwing tantrum is one of the biggest stupid mentality. We accumulated, we acquired. Understand? Free fall from your authentic identity is hell. Wake up to the reality of the free fall happening in you. You will suddenly know that you have to take a serious action to stop it. To stop it. Look in and do not try to establish your identity by throwing tantrum. Establish your identity by contribution, by enriching.
I have a doubt. If a person never falls from his authentic identity, then he will avoid moving on to next level, right? Because if he's in the same identity, he will never reinvent himself. Only if he reinvents himself, he will even move on to next level. So if he never falls, how will he reinvent himself and move on to next level?
For a person to reinvent himself, he doesn't need to fall down. Instead, he can just start working towards the higher level. Like in today's Satsang, Swami told, instead of Vajashravas going from the level of Kshatriya to Shudra or Vaishya, he could have gone to the level of Brahmana instead. But he did the opposite thing instead of doing the right thing. So falling down will not help you reinventing, but working towards the higher level will only make you more authentic.
Just adding to what he told, what I understand is like to reinvent yourself, like to not be stagnant, that doesn't mean that you have to fall down. Instead, like from the space which you are, you can think like, okay, I'm already in this space. Instead of falling off from your identity, okay, this is my authentic identity. Now I've achieved my authentic identity. How can I reinvent myself more? So you can like aim at the higher authenticity and try and start aligning yourself to that, because finally ultimately our very purpose is enlightenment. So we can continuously start aligning to that, but to not be stagnant, it doesn't mean that we should always fall and then rise again.
bad dairy allergy. It was really severe. I've gone to the hospital before because of it, and I would get hives, my skin would get all red, and I'd get really itchy, and I'd start puking, my throat would hurt, and it would like last a very long time. It was like a really, really bad allergy. And a couple of days ago, I asked Swami Ji to heal my dairy allergy, and then yesterday, he did a healing on me, and to test it this morning, I ate toast with butter on it, and I was fine, and nothing happened, and it was amazing. And I wasn't expecting anything to happen. I actually didn't believe he was actually going to heal it. But then he did, and everything was fine, and it was great.
This program is fun, and I'm in I for Kids, and I could do blindfold painting and blindfold reading. All the blindfold stuff. I could also do blindfold walking, and I could also do blindfold coloring. I wish all the people could enter this program, and I would also like everybody who is watching this program to enter the blindfold reading and Third Eye Awakening.
Shiva. 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 Welcome home to experience love current of Mahadeva. This city is just DNA of physical expression of Hinduism. From your side, nothing needs to be done other than being here. Simple truth straight away.